We are IDBS. Our software is found in labs around the world, supporting groundbreaking research and development work. We are IT experts, scientists, and innovators, delivering and optimizing software solutions to help tackle global challenges in food, health, and energy, safely and efficiently. We enable organizations to work more effectively by managing their scientific data and making that data more accessible and useful. Our intuitive, scientist-friendly solutions help to accelerate innovation. That's why we are trusted by the world's leading R&D organizations. At IDBS, we help make discoveries possible.